So let's use left. So check here this. So when it reaches this, no count because space. So use like a while loop to actually check this. So condition don't match, move next. So it actually move this. So this, and he do mention that something to do with this to be checked with a reference with like some sort of ASCII. So if it's within a range of like ASCII, kind of like passes, why not? Or rather like maybe say for 8 has a representation of like 85. So I mean instead of like checking for the alphabet per se, is checking 85. Let's say is 85, it kind of like conditions to be ting 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 that starts moving forward. So actually I don't know what's the deal with them mentioning about this. I can't draw any story arcs to actually link it to it per se. So it's kind of like a rinse and repeat process until it reaches the very last alphabet, which reaches over here. Both the L and the R is the same location. So L is pointing this, R is pointing this, and at that point I mean in order to move forth is that the thing got to be able to run through the loop. But if say it will actually straight away go out of the loop and maybe say a force. But if it's in loop, it will go all the way to here, So and then if maybe we set a condition to be able to allow us to say that both L and R is like pointing towards like the same alphabet, we say that the whole statement is true, so return true. So that's what I feel. I mean the main utility about this is using LR, and I mean for the very first episode it was actually talking a lot about so say I have this whole entire list, right? So this whole list, so I create a for loop. I just reverse the indexes from the end to the start. So I have like a sort of like a new string that with a for loop to actually loop this whole string in reverse order somewhat, and then the new string I compare it maybe whether if it's like equals to the original string, and if it is true, then I'll say that it's definitely a palindrome. That's what I feel for the first episode, and that's the vibes I'm getting. So with that I think everything comes to an end.